Okay, so here's how you can export an element with a transparent background. So I want to choose this picture and want to remove the background first. Okay, so now I got this element and I want to have this exported without a white background. So click on top right on the share button, then on download. Now you have the option between different file types. We just have a picture, so you can choose between JPEG and PNG. On JPEG, it's not able to save a transparent background, so we have to choose the PNG file. Here you can see the option limit file size. We don't want to use compress file lower quality, so you have an exported lower quality file, and our option we want to use, the transparent background. Now you can just choose the page you want to download, page 3, and click on download. On the bottom right you can see that the file is downloading and it's already finished. So you can see no white background anymore and the picture is transparent. If you want to import this to Canva again, you can see it's still without any background. 1 second, choose another color, and here you can see no white around this picture. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and leave a like and subscribe and click on this video if you want to learn more about Canva.